Savor the Flavor, Understanding Savory Spices in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the world of flavors, focusing on the term, savory spices. This phrase is not just about taste, it's about cultural and culinary exploration. So, let's dive in and spice up our English learning journey. Savory, in the culinary world, refers to flavors that are spicy, salty, or herbal. Basically, anything that is not sweet. It's a taste category that tickles your taste buds differently from sugar and honey. In many cuisines, savory flavors are the cornerstone of the cooking process. Understanding this term helps you describe a whole world of dishes and ingredients in English. Now, let's talk about spices. These are the aromatic substances used to flavor food. They come from various parts of plants like seeds, fruits, roots, and barks. Spices are not just about heat. They add depth and character to a dish. Think of spices like a painter's palette. Each one adds a unique stroke of flavor to the culinary canvas. Savory spices take us on a global culinary tour. From the cumin used in Indian curries to the rosemary in Italian roasts, each spice tells a story of geography, culture, and tradition. Understanding these spices enhances your language skills and gives you a glimpse into different cultures and their cuisines. Let's put our learning into practice. How can you use savory spices in a sentence? Here are some examples. The chef added a blend of savory spices to the stew for extra flavor. I love the savory spices used in Mediterranean cooking. Can you identify the savory spices in this dish? I hope this video has added some flavorful knowledge to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It's all about mixing the right ingredients. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little spice to your conversations. See you in our next video.